Hello everyone, now Brian here from Cokin Filters, and here in front of me I have the NX series landscape kit. Now this kit is great for those looking to get long exposure shots and also have more control over the shadows and highlights of the photo, and just overall get a better raw image to work with in post. Now this kit is made up basically so you don't have to carry around a lot of gear in order to achieve those shots you want. Alright, so let's break down what comes in the landscape kit. So first you have your 10-stop neutral density. You have your 3-stop soft graduated filter. Then you also have a circular polarizer, and it comes with this nice pouch. Then you have the NX series filter holder. You have 3 different adapter rings. So you have a 72, a 77, and 82. A rubber cap for the adapter rings. And then a filter frame tool, which comes with a Phillips and a flathead. Then it's all held together nice in this NX series protective pack. Okay, so that is the NX series landscape kit. Now just remember, if you have any questions, please reach out to the team. We're always there to help, and I'll see you next time.